All right. If you're a Stocks Channel Discord member, you should be eating very good today because we did gap up through all of the resistance and it's almost time to let the cat out of the bag because this is exactly what was predicted in the members only video for August. And this is why I said August was very likely going to bamboozle a lot of traders because I could see a lot of people were going to get overly bearish as the market was pulling back. And then admittedly with the Bank of Japan, we did go a bit lower than I expected, but I did see limited downside within this bull market for this correction. And it's very difficult to say with today's bull breakout that we're not just going to continue to make higher lows and higher highs from here because the bears are losing a lot of that resistance they had to defend. So I talked about this yesterday very quickly about the probability that we could reject from here was the lowest probability chance, which didn't mean you couldn't take the trade. It just means today you're taking the loss on it. Because it was so low probability, there was a lot of high reward for it. But again, you had a very low probability chance to be correct. So don't beat yourself up if you took that trade. There's nothing wrong with that. You took a chance and you lost. Move on. Just don't let the loss continue to get larger because we are likely continuing to go higher. There's no reason you should continue to try to short this market, hoping and praying that it goes lower when the price is telling you it's not and the price is telling you it wants to go higher. So right now I'm staying bull on SPY with the risk level at 544. You could also use 548 if you want to play that gap fill right around 545. But the bulls are in control. We have the bull trend coming back any day now. We have the higher lows and higher highs from price. We're getting the bull breakouts through the pivots that the bears needed to protect. And price is telling us bulls on parade of all higher lows and higher highs while we're above support. If we break below any of the support, just get risk off and move like water because that is the best way to remain profitable. But do not blindly short this bull trend. We are likely going higher and we do have a gap to fill up there at 562. So congratulations to all of the people that bought that Monday low. As I said, there was a very good chance of that being a bottom and I still believe that was the bottom. So there's a very good chance it's all higher lows and higher highs from here and we will likely see a brand new all-time high by sometime in September, if not earlier. So manage risk from here. Let those swing trades run because it does look like we're going higher. Any pullbacks into support will be buying opportunities and manage a risk at those support zones. If you want to short, you need to wait for higher resistance levels because we have blue skies until we continue higher. And blue skies are very difficult to short because the market is just going to continue to push through resistance as bears are getting squeezed out. So stay disciplined, have a plan. Make sure if you were wrong about the short trade that you're not just continuing to average down on a losing trade. It is very likely this market wants to go higher, so you should be focused in the bullish direction of buying dips and selling higher highs. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we are also getting the bull breakout. We needed to break above 464. We gapped up above it and we're very close to the resistance right around 473 to 474. And then above that, we pushed towards 480. So as I've been warning, do not continue to short. If you took the short trade at 464, you should be taking those losses. If we do start to pull back, we could fill a gap right around 465. But it does look like higher lows and higher highs until we at least get to 480. And then above 480, we push into the 490s. And yes, I do think an all-time high is still possible. So be very disciplined here. I think the bulls can stay bull above 464. If you want to manage risk at a little bit of a higher level, use right around 468. If you start breaking down below support, look for the gap fill, but I am looking for higher lows and higher highs from here. If we break below 464, go ahead and get risk off because we will likely roll over and just continue to move like water. Remember, when you're swing trading, you need lots of patience. So if you're trying to hit these upper price targets, you really just need to let the trade work and manage risk. And as I've said many times, if you got that Monday morning entry, there is no reason to be shaking out of your long positions. Just let the volatility play out and give the trade time to work because we are likely going to continue to go higher from here. And then very quickly, we'll look at the VIX. I told you there was a very good chance by Friday we would see the VIX between 15 and 13. And right now it's Thursday and we're at 15. So I still think that call out is going to end up being correct. There's lots of puts that need to expire worthless tomorrow. So do expect to see the VIX continuing to crush as the bulls continue to push. Remember, VIX crushing is energy for bulls to push higher. So do not think this market cannot go higher. It very likely will continue to go higher, even if it gets a pullback to a higher low first. So jumping back over the S&P 500, the August members only video is playing out perfectly. We are only a few dollars away from another 100% accuracy call out, and we're only halfway through the month. If needed, I'll update that members only video, but so far it's playing out perfectly. And remember, you can get access to my members only videos by becoming a member of the Stocks Channel Discord server, where you'll also get access to all of my trade ideas, my technical analysis, and my intraday updates. You can find out how to join the Stocks Channel Discord server by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.